Okay, now let's go and let me show you the end product of what we've just seen here at the workshop where the engineers are putting things together to form. Now, as you can see from here, so this is the end results. I mean the end product of what I showed you. The tractors, they are here. You see, so this one is 40 horsepower. Very strong. The diesel consumption is very low and the quality is high. Now let me show you. So this one is 140 horsepower. 140 horsepower tractor. And so with this one, we can install air conditioning inside for you in case your region is very hot. If you are in Africa and then you are working during the summertime where the sun is so hot, you can install air conditioning inside here. And also there are speakers installed here that as you are farming you can enjoy music. Okay, so when you are doing the farming and then you feel so bored, you can play music inside there and air conditioning also there, and the diesel consumption is very low. So as you can see, so this is the end, this is the final product, the end results of what I've just shown you inside there. So over there too, there are lots of our tractors available. You know, as I said, we are #1 producer of agric machinery in China. All these tractors are available at cheaper prices, very cheap and all that. As you can see, this one is 120 horsepower, 120 horsepower, and then yeah, so this one also is 40 horsepower, and this model is modeled like Ferguson and other brands from Europe. So just give us a call and we will give you good price. My name is Jingsen, and you can call me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and then Alibaba, and then our sales team will handle you and give you good price. Don't be afraid because we have spare parts in Ghana, Accra, Tamale, and Kumasi. We have it available, and also if you want us to bring you spare parts instead of buying in Ghana, we can do that within 7 days.